Interface. The last option in the drop-down View menu is the Interface Configuration option. Under Interface, you can customize the appearance of your editor even more. Open the drop-down View menu and then the Interface menu to see the options available. There are 3 customizations available here. Removing the borders from the editor, having a row view, or using the compact. Each of these configurations have their advantages. Removing the editor borders will increase the size of the editor, allowing you to see more on smaller screens. The borders will remain removed until you decide to add them back in, even for future sessions. Let's go back to the view with borders and look at the other interface options. The next interface option is the row view. This will be familiar to those who have worked with other cat editors before. This option will arrange the source and the target language segments under one another in one panel. This is useful when comparing several target languages to the source at the same time. Let's once again return to the default configuration. The last configuration to look at is the compact view. This configuration will remove the spaces between the segments. This means you don't see the icons or extra information you find in the other views. This information is hidden for all but the active segment. This can be helpful while working on difficult translations, allowing you to focus on the text rather than the QA issues.